Let us take out your cards. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Not a quick shuffle. 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one. 10, 11, and 12. Okay. And the last astro code. Let's pull out this one. So Taurans, let us look at your cards. Knight of Swords. Things are taking shape fast. It will be a very fast-paced month for you. It'll also be about sudden ups and downs in your mental energies. You will definitely not be running out of ideas. Your focus will be, key focus being that you should be able to generate a lot of new ideas, and you will be able to do that in this month. 10 of Swords. I see you wanting to spend time with yourself. I also see you surrounded by a certain amount of negativity, mental negativity, and of course, a lot of fluctuation in your mood. Mood swings could also be there, and you could tend to be slightly on the gloomier side, wanting to spend time alone. The Devil card here for the second house. So, for your finances, this seems to be a good month to earn income. Be watchful of any schemes, any financial promises which seem to be too good to be true, or which are promising something which seems like to be an overpromise or an overcommitment, because those could be fake promises. So invest with a lot of care. You need to check it out thoroughly before investing your money. Otherwise, you can get duped of your money. You will have the gift of the gab this month. You will be able to communicate in a very luring way. When you talk, people will get attracted to you when you talk this month. It's a good month with your family, but some of you may feel trapped or may feel suffocated, may feel that, okay, I am not being able to do what I want to do, or my family is restricting me. The third card is the Four of Cups. Not really in the mood for too much of hard work, and not too involved with your siblings also this month. Not a very good interaction that I see here. You seem to be a little disinterested. And your fourth card is the King of Swords. So this is good in terms of relationship with your mother. It is also excellent for wanting to be able to see things astutely, even in the middle of feeling sad or feeling, uh, you know, basically, you'll be able to gain clear thought, especially in matters of the house, any kind of property deals, any vehicles, any clarity that you had been needing to get, either with respect to your home or mother or motherland, uh, or for that matter about what house, where, which car to buy, what to do, etc. You'll be able to get that. You'll also be able to get new ideas on how to go about with your similar things like buying or sale, purchase, buy, rent, any kind of rental thing, any kind of property deals, etc. You'll be able to do that. For the fifth card, you have drawn the Nine of Pentacles. So it's a good month with your children. It's a good relationship that I see here with your children. Also, good financial give and take. And if your children are at the age where they have been wanting to look for sources of income, look for a job, then this is a good month for them to succeed at it. It is basically a good month for your children to get rewards of past efforts. Uh, Also, it is a good month for relationship with your children in general. For those who are students, again, it's a good month. You'll be able to. Uh, this is more of a month where whatever you studied in the past will bear fruit. The sixth card is the High Priestess. So a lot of cards here I see which show that your focus is less on relationships and more on yourself, more on mulling over things, more on, you know, internal development, maybe meditation, maybe spending time to yourself, maybe wanting to go away somewhere, or maybe even if you don't physically distance yourself while being present, still you will focus more on your inner world, more on what you are thinking and feeling. So in terms of any kind of litigations, if you've had, it's things seem to be not really moving too much. This is not the time when it'll move too much. Also, I see in terms of if you need any loans, etc., again, it'll take its time. This is again not a good month to process loans. For health, be a little careful with your health. And the Two of Swords. Again, another card suggesting that not a good month for relationships. So what I see here is some kind of misunderstandings, coldness, distance developing between you and your partner. It could be life partner or business partners. You may not be able to see each other's point of view. You may not be able to communicate very well. You may feel a kind of uh, apartness, basically. And Two of Pentacles, the eighth card. So here I see that people who are into either research work, into any kind of occult sciences, you will be able to enjoy what you're doing, but it will not be as speedy a development as you would want it to be. Also, same thing goes for people who are into any kind of business related to ores, iron ores, anything that is found underground, like uh, you know uh, any metallurgy or any kind of oil, petroleum, etc. Those kinds of businesses, again, you will find that you're being able to enjoy your work, which is great. You will also be able to uh, see good profits. However, there will be you will face your shares of obstacles and delays and ups and downs, especially regarding finances. And the Ace of Pentacles in the ninth house. So I see you having a good relationship with your father and all your superiors, bosses, etc. Uh, you can expect support from them, and you will also feel that you have ample support of fate, destiny, or luck, call whatever it may. It is Lady Luck is shining upon you, is what you would feel, especially in anything that you want to buy, anything that you want to acquire. It's a good month. And then death and rebirth. So over here in the 10th house, I see death and rebirth, which tells me that for you, there can be a change in your workplace, in your job, or you may end one project, begin another, change of team, some major change I see in this month for you. And the Fool card here. So a good time to spend with friends, yes, and also a good time for fulfilling your desires. Just be a little watchful, not to go overboard, or to be careful what you do with how you go about fulfilling your desires. You need to be a little cautious there. And the Queen of Pentacles here. So again, I see a lot of cards here, which tell me that it is not exactly a people's month for you. Um, it is more about, spending time with yourself, mulling over life's problems, mulling over yourself, going inside, introspecting. This card here also tells me that it is a fantastic month for taking care of not spending too much, and whatever you spend, you will be spending it wisely, and you will also be able to get very good bargains for whatever you buy. And last of all, we'll take out the Astro Code Oracle here. That's the Conjunction Alliance card, which is somehow telling us that even though the focus of this month is about how you relate, how you coordinate, yet it does not seem to be happening very easily and positively. So the focus is going to be uh, relating to people, relationships, but you may not feel that you're in the mood for relationships. So that's your month coming up for you, my dear Taurans. Bye bye.